My channel, and today I just thought I'd do a get ready with me and a crazy beagle. She's messed my bed up. She is Jessie. As you see her, she's just there, and so that's what I'm doing. She's just running around. My bed is a mess, but never mind. I'm gonna do this get ready with me. Now I need my mirror, and that is what I need. Right, I haven't got anything at all planned. This is just a crazy video. So, without further ado, right, let's just start off with brows. Now, with brows, I use this one, which is the PS Skinny Brow Pencil in dark brown. So I'm just going to do that. I haven't even done my hair yet. Right, okay, so I'll just zoom this in. Shh. Right, I'm gonna have to use my mirror. Oh, what are you doing? Nearly done. Right, now I've done my brows and I've actually thought about what I need to put on, and you never guess what? I should have put it on before I did my brows. Right, I always use an SPF, which is this one, the SPF 50 on my face. It's just, I use it every single day, so I forgot to put it on today. So I'm just going to pop that on right now. I should have done it before I did my brows, but I didn't. Oh, squeaky chair again. Right, so now that is done, I'm just gonna go around my eye area with that. And then I use this, which is the Dr. Bandit. I love this. I got this in the FabFit Fun box. It's amazing. I just use that around my eye area. So I'm going to pop that on right now. It comes like a peachy colour. And that just covers all my bags up. Jessie, come here. Come here, stop your whinging. Do you want to come sit on my knee? Do you want to come and sit on my knee? Yes or no? We'll calm you down a little bit. Come on then. Stop your whinging. Just sit there. She's a very calming dog. I love her. She is. Right, okay, so now I've done all that. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I use the Revolution Makeup Revolution London. That's the one I use. So I am just going to wing my eye like I normally do. Music in the background. That is just my son playing his iPod. It's gone. I think it went a bit thick with the eyeliner. Never mind. Okay. I'll pick that up later. Right, so now I'll just do the other side. What's the matter? You're twisting again. Come up here. Come on. Oh, stop your twisting. Look. See? Cute beagle. Just going to stop. Just calm me down a little bit. Oh, right. You want to look at my face? There we go. See? You want makeup on? You want makeup on? You see yourself in the camera? Hey? I love you. Go on, down you go. Right, so that is my eyeliner done. What are you doing? Come on. So now I'd just quickly clean up those areas. Oh, and by the way, I use this one, which is the Nivea Double Effects Eye Makeup Remover. I also use this one as well. They're both as good as each other. This one is the Garnier Organic Cornflower one, and they're just masala waters. So I am just going to go and clean up this eye area. Look, this one in particularly. I just make my eyes, my lines are more defined. Oh, she's settled down now. Right, so now I am going to just align my eyes with this, the PS, the Primark eyeliner. This is the Qual one. Okie doke, that was the wrong one. I'm supposed to use the new one. Oh, I don't know where it is. Right, so I'll just use this one. Jessie, what are you doing? Come here. Oh, she's not doing anything. She doesn't look like she's doing anything. She looks so like she's not naughty, but she is naughty. That sort of thing. Oh. So then the next item I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lash. This is absolutely fantastic. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And that's, oh, we've got Baby Shark. My son loves that. That eyeliner. Not eyeliner, that mascara. Okay, right. Like so. I'm not going to do my bottom eyelashes. So now I'm just going to go and tidy up that wing because I can see it looks atrocious. Right, come here. Settle down again. Do you want to go out? Okay. Right, well, I'm nearly finished now, Jessie. Right, so then I would use, what is it, my latest product, which is this. It's absolutely fantastic. This is the CoverGirl Gorgeous Ready Set Fresh Complexion. Settle down, Jessie. And it's in shade 105, but it's just amazing. And it is a foundation, but I never use a sponge. So I just use my hand. Just apply it like so. It is the way I do my foundation every day. I don't use tools or anything like that. I find I'm lazy, so lazy. I don't want to be washing them all the time, and I know my hands is clean because I just washed them. Oh, I didn't want that to happen. It's smudged. Right, so then don't get your blanket out, leave it there. You're not pulling that out. So then I would probably think about doing my hair, and I use this on my hair as well as coconut oil or whatever. But this is the Rose White Colour Correction 10-in-1 leave-in spray. So, and it's unwinded husk. I got this out of Superdrug. It was £6.99, but that is it there. So then I'm just gonna go crazy on my hair, spritz it everywhere. Yeah, so this preserves the colour, it protects hair, conditions hair, anti-breakage, shines, strengthens, thermal protection, moisturises it, eliminates the frizz. It also makes it easier to brush. It's detangling, and I'll stop pulling. Come on, this way. Down you come. You've had this out, my pillow. Naughty beagle. Right, and that is all I would do. I would probably, if I was doing my video, I would top it off with a La Rizzi. If I was doing a video, I'd do that, La Rizzi. I would just put that on. I'll probably pop it on and I'll see what it looks like. Yeah, I will. I'm just doing it quickly because I don't want it. As you can see, I'm making mistakes because I'm rushing it. And there's my dog digging a hole again in my bed. Off! Right, so there we go. There's the colour of it. It's La Rizzi. You can see I made a husk of it, a mess of it. Right, so if you like